Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
What's your name?
My name is Jessica.
How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Where do you live?
I live in Calgary.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 8 p.m.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you brush your teeth every day?
Yes, I brush my teeth every day.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat pancakes and milk.
What do you like to do for fun?
I like to play with my friends.
Do you like to draw?
Yes, I love to draw.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny today.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
Do you like snow?
Yes, I love snow.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I like potato.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Do you like the mountains?
Yes, I like the mountains.
Do you like candy?
Yes, I love candy.
Do you like chocolate or vanilla?
I like chocolate.
Do you like to run and play?
Yes, I love to run and play.
Do you like school?
Yes, I like school.
Who's your teacher?
My teacher is Mrs. Sarah.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I sleep well.
Do you like buying toys?
Yes, I love buying toys.
Can you cook?
I can help in the kitchen.
What's your mom's name?
Her name is Jessica.
What's your dad's name?
His name is Alex.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Do you travel with your family?
Yes, I travel with my family.
Do you like rainy days?
No, I don't like rainy days. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to a channel.